In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change contact details in Xero. Keeping your organization's contact details up to date in Xero is really important. It affects things like your invoices, quotes, statements, and any automated emails that go out to customers and suppliers. If your address, phone number, or email has changed, or you've rebranded your business, you'll want those changes reflected everywhere, and the best place to start is in your organization settings. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. At the top left of the screen, you'll see your organization name. This is usually the legal or trading name of your business. Go ahead and click on that organization name. This opens up a small menu that gives you access to key account options related to your business. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. The settings area is where you manage the core information for your organization, including things like financial settings, users, and of course, your contact and organization details. We'll focus on that today. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see a range of tiles or menu options. Find the one that says Organization Details and click on it. This is the section where Xero stores all the main information about your business that appears on documents you send out, such as invoices and purchase orders. When the Organization Details page opens, you'll see fields for things like your legal or trading name, physical address, postal address, phone number, email address, and possibly website and other contact information. Carefully type in or update the details you want to change. For example, if your main contact email has changed, replace the old email with the new one. If your office has moved, update the street address, city, and postal code. Take a moment to double check spelling, especially on your business name and email address, because these details can appear directly on customer-facing documents. If Xero provides separate sections for physical and postal addresses, make sure both are correct, particularly if you receive mail at a different location from your office. Also, confirm that the phone number is formatted clearly, including area codes if needed. Once you're happy that everything is accurate and complete, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't be applied. After saving, your updated contact details will now be used across Xero